The roof is a vital element for the building as it prevents rainwater penetrating the building. Thereafter, it is very important to survey it regularly to ensure that roof coverings, flashings, runs, gutters, and downpipes are functioning well. The junction between the roof structure and the gable wall is a very critical area. It should be ensured that appropriate flashings are in place. It is also very important to make temporary provision for rainwater disposal when works are taking place at the roof level. Environmental conditions in roof spaces should be controlled. They should be heated to avoid high humidity levels. Problems with the flashings, broken sharking boards, etc. cause water ingress as well. The presence of pigeons, wasps, and bats make it difficult to access roof spaces and maintain them properly. Attention needs to be taken when surveying roofs, starting by looking at the condition of the roof covering. This can be traditionally slate, pan tiles, lead. Also, the lead work in flashings and flat sections of the roof need to be surveyed together with the rainwater disposal system.